All right, this is another student from Malaysia. His name is Ha Hin Bin, and here we go.
What was the best part of What was the best part of STEM Compass Camp?
For me personally, I think that I like it most when they ask us the bonus challenges. They give us questions that let us to push us to think about what we have actually learned during this whole session, and I really enjoy this because I am able to implement what I have learned during all these sessions.
What topic did you love the most and why?
Interesting question, because I personally enjoy all of the sessions that I have. But for me, what I enjoyed the most was when they taught us about the PEMDAS, because it taught me how to implement math into my coding, which I think is really an interesting and useful skill.
What new skills did you learn?
What new skills did I learn? Well, for me, I learned because I did have some experience in typing code using Arduino. And I actually learned during these few sessions how to type using HTML and Python too.
What was it about the STEM Compass Camp that was different from other camps you may have been in before?
I never really joined any camps like this. I never joined any program that is online, and I think that it's a really interesting opportunity. It's a really great experience, and yeah, that's what I think.
Did what you learned at the camp inspire your love of STEM even more?
Yes, I think that they are really great people, and they are really interactive, they are nice, and yeah, they're really friendly, and they gave us time to do our own things in our own pace. Yeah.
Can you tell us one thing that you learned?
For me, one thing that I learned is that we need to ask when we don't know what to do, because for me, I am a really introverted person, so I always keep things to myself. So during this, because there are a few challenging tasks that I got stuck on, and I learned how to ask when I didn't know what to do.
What do you plan to do when you grow up?
I have always been asked this question since I was young, and I never really had a fixed goal in life. But I have really been interested in computers and these software things since I was young. So probably along the likes of software engineering or something like informative technology.
Would you recommend this camp to your friends? If so, why?
Yes, definitely, because I think that it's a very fun and interesting experience. The people there are nice. I enjoy my time with Dr. Valerie, Spencer, Miss Dacia, and Kellier. And I would really recommend this to my friends so that they will have a concept of what coding is like.